No! Dude, it's got... This fucker's got rear steer on it. Come here, come here. Yeah. This thing from the factory has literally 4-wheel steer. So you turn the steering wheel. What the fuck? That is sick. What the fuck?
4-wheel steer. That is nuts.
Where do I get one of these trucks? Holy fuck! Big Dick's back in town, baby! Ha! He can't afford good batteries.
Doesn't work?
No, just
one
spot of it.
That doesn't make any fucking sense.
Well, first off,
Does it have too much pop? No, that
you don't have the ground on that battery, so that's not gonna work.
I honestly thought that was my grandpa.
The tailgate?
No, the whole fucking
He won't
truck.
let me buy him a tailgate. He says he wants that one. It adds character.
Yeah.
Yeah, because Gabe signed it. He thinks it's better that way.
Hey.
Almost.
All right, I'll put it on another battery. She gonna fire right up. First pull.
Well, how are we gonna get it onto the other side?
Just I only
Oh,
paid.
that battery.
I only paid $200 for that battery, so just replace the 200. Well, no, you just got it in the wrong spot.
Sons of bitch. How do I get it in the wrong spot?
You gotta go right here and right there.
Oh, outside to outside?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Sorry, I'm not used to this poverty shit.
Oh boy, she works mint.
Apparently, I am used to the poverty shit.
Put the battery in there.
That's fine. Yeah. Definitely his dad's car.
Definitely,
This is my dad's truck, did you know?
definitely
My dad.
nice.
Oh, dude, I didn't even know.
Burn down the GFP rig. No, I won't do that. I won't do that because Gabe finally has a vehicle he can actually drive around. So when he comes to my shop in the race truck, I can give him a ride home when his race truck's broken. He won't have to take my truck because if I give him a ride home, his 5th gen will be there. But without the 5th gen, he just needs a truck to take home. He lives an hour and a half away. He comes here every day. So driving race truck every day just doesn't work. All right. Pick up this little switch. It's like his truck burned to the ground. Can you imagine? Gabe, what are you doing over there?
Over where?
Over there.
Over where I'm standing. Looking for connectors for the 4th time this week.
That little box.
Some booty connectors.
Booty connectors.
Yeah, there's some booty connectors. Oh, those are them. And by he, I mean Thomas. I found the booty connectors. Found the booty connectors. We're just gonna start taking things off until it sounds cool.
If you just unplug this too, it should
I think it just won't run.
break this and just lift that up like that and just break it off.
Want me to do that?
No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
No, no.
Take it off. What the fuck?
Why'd you start yanking on it?
I went and pressed the clip. Where's it at?
Right here. I'm looking at it.
Yeah, but you're not gonna put that back on. Yeah, there.
This one? Yeah. Why? Let's take the whole fucking intake off.
No, don't take the whole intake off.
Why?
I mean, do it. Fine. Leave it. Fucking
It'll
break
sound
it off.
fucking sick.
Okay, break it off. Now watch this.
That fucking thing? Yeah, I'm looking at it. I see it. Looks like a fucking crucifix sitting in the fucking intake. What the fuck is that?
Look at.
That's trash. No wonder why my truck's fucking slow.
Go fucking start it now. What do you think? Is it gonna... Oh boy! The 5th gen is no longer poverty. So it takes a $15 Amazon box to de-poverty a 5th gen. So if you guys got a Bighorn 5th gen, what is this thing?
Limited.
This one's a limited Bighorn?
Limited Longhorn.
Longhorn Steakhouse?
No, like Longhorn, like my dick.
Well, I guess we'll open up the shop door for Thomas to pull his truck that he owns out for the last time, if that made any sense.
No, he owns it now. But in about 2 hours, he will not own it.
Where do y'all think it's going to? Pause the video right now and drop it down in the comments where you think we are taking this truck. There's your hint. 2 hours from the shop. No, an hour from the shop.
See, like an hour.
Boom! It's like the shop door falls off and smashes it. Butter! Woo! Bye-bye. See you later.
It's raining.
Woo! Running pretty smooth. 58 PSI. Twin turbos? Oh no, fuck no. Triple turbos, yes. Them do the job. 183 miles to the gallon. Hey yo.
Is that a secret?
He sells the dually for that? Come on. That's a standard cab tow rig though.
He's taking a video of Thomas's truck.
What are you doing over there?
Saying goodbye to my hood.
He's giving the hood
That was the deal breaker.
the hood a hug.
There she is.
Look at here he goes. Here Thomas goes.
And there she goes.
There she goes.
There she goes.
He built that truck right there to
Look at this thing.
haul his big truck to SEMA, but you know he sold it.
Never hauled anything.
It never hauled anything. There it goes, Thomas.
No.
Baby,
No.
come back.
No.
Alright, so yes, I sold the blue truck, but I also got, if you guys can see, something back to the shop. And the blue truck is finished. It has everything done to it.
It's back.
Oh, Just gonna crawl through my box truck onto my second gen that I got basically for free, along with. All right, first things first, Taryn. We're gonna bust out the old, what do we call it? The old welder. The old welder / plasma cutter. And show y'all how to get this party started. So the dually flare on it is still good, and in all reality, that's all we care about here. So let's get the dually flare off of it. We're getting work done. All right. Aim for.
Snap, that was my job. I was supposed to hit that off.
Well, then bust the ball.
Used to hit. I'm gonna hit the back.
Okay, smash it. Here, hold on. Get a practice hit right here. Right here. Right here.
This isn't gonna be a practice.
Before you swing, just give it a tap down there with the claw. With the claw.
Why with the claw?
Claw it. Come on, go all the way through it. All the way through. You got it. Come on. Oh yeah. Sure.
You leave that?
No, they're a dime a dozen. What color should I paint my new truck? Because we get a lot of money for 2Gs from this character. So I'm gonna have. That's. Get these Larry Hoovers lined up. It's going up, Taryn. Well, you guys know I did lower the truck for Joe, but then he came by and gave me the truck, and let's say abundance of money, not to brag, had this truck for my blue truck, and now we're gonna pull the shocks back off it and put different axles inside of it, and one of you guys are either gonna win the truck or buy the truck. I don't know yet. Launch a giveaway on this one, but like rebuild it all on the channel. But knowing me, by the time this video is up, the truck will probably already be gone. But with that being said, we got brand new control arms on it. I'm working on it right now. I'm going to clean up the axle for sure. But what do you guys think? What should we do with this truck? Obviously, all this will go away. Unless one of you guys want to buy it with the panels how it is. But I do have a bunch of panels I'm going to get from Florida this week with it. And we are bringing something back home. Well, probably something plus, 10 other things to the channel. But right now, let me get the suspension thrown back in here and see how she sits. Well, she's coming together. New panhard bar, new drag link. Gonna get it dialed in. I'm waiting for the tie rod to come in, but for now, I can use this one. This tie rod over here is a little bad, but this will at least get it on the ground. Be able to move it around, swap this out later, but that's brand new. My brother just ran back to O'Reilly's to get the end for it. So get that upside the gearbox. New gearbox is installed. New panhard bar is ready to get pushed back up. I don't know, I might do a Heim joint panhard bar on this thing. I think I might have one here. Do that on it. That way I don't have to worry about the angle and the thing not wanting to self-center. Hey, yo, baby elephant. What are you doing? Put the tire on? Yeah. She is all back together, boys. Now time to slap our panhard bar on and see how it goes. Well, rear axle is in. Got the old turd all polished up. Geez, that frame's still nice, huh? Frame's still real nice. Time to get the bed put on it and decide what I'm gonna do with it.